you wanting to create fun and engaging videos with your audience and you're not quite sure how? You only have a phone and you're really not sure exactly how to create a background? With the power of the green screen, you can do so much, and in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step how I use two amazing applications to create this background. Guys, thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell to see more future videos like this and this. If you found value in this video, do you mind sharing it with some friends? And if you're interested in Because Cosmetics, make sure that you connect with me on my social media channels listed in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.